Guys, I'm back. It's quite a while that I haven't done anything yet, but yeah, and today I'm playing Faily Breaks, and this is the one that I have done in a while. I haven't shown it yet, but we're gonna do it now. So let's wait. Okay, win. This is very nice. I wish to do it every Christmas on games. That would be more fun. So yeah. Okay, I need to be to my high school. Cross the trees. Get. Okay. Oh no. So yeah. I got 1,000 and... Oh, we got a free thing. What was it? 100 coins! Let's go, we can win the prize. A car. So, I'm going to for the right. So what would we get? The Matthews. Okay. Okay, we'll test it out. For us. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm back. Oh, that was an ad, I'm sorry. Let's continue. For our thing. So, we're doing this again. Ooh, this is a very neat car. I really like cars that have names on it. It's like a person name. What? Okay guys, what just happened? There was no tree there. Okay, let's do this again, shall we? Okay, we're back. What's this? Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't looking. I just looked at my Teddy just lying down. So we're just leaving there and goodbye. Have a great time and peace.